In our hardware video, we introduced the rotary dial on Express control. We showed how test modes on the left of the dial set output on their respective ports to 50%, and how the push button ramps that level up and down. These test modes are overrides, and therefore the controller will not run the project while in the test mode. Express software tracks this. This is also indicated on the controller's web interface. On the right-hand side of the dial, you'll find the run position and 4 program positions, PG1 to PG4. In all 5 of these positions, the controller operates fully. Run is the position your controller will generally operate in. The 4 program positions recall special states for occasional use. For example, this could be during maintenance or other special circumstances. Let's open a project with 4 special scenes. We'll go to Configure Tags and select the rotary dial tag set, where we'll see tags for PG1 to PG4. Now we can tag the special scenes to each of these positions. You'll notice the run position isn't available as a tag. This is because run represents the controller's normal operational state. If no other tags are set up, the lights go off, as we can see here. Let's open another project. This project has open, closed, and day-night tags configured, with scenes tagged accordingly, and 4 special scenes tagged to the rotary dial. We can select the special scenes using the dial, and resetting the dial restores the controller's default behaviour, meaning all the other tags work as expected. The rotary dial tag set can't be controlled from a touch device. However, it is available on the web interface and in cloud, giving engineers remote access to this test feature.